So here we have the Asus Ally, and I will start up into the boot menu by pressing volume up. In there we will select USB UEFI to start our installer. In there we press A for next. Then we can select the partition, the internal one or the external one. We can use touch, we can use the D-pad to select, we can use the joysticks to select. If we're satisfied with the selection, we press A for next. And then we confirm that we want to install it, and we click A again. After it's finished, then we can simply say yes, reboot. Regarding the progress bar, it will be fixed in the final. And it boots into Manjaro Gaming Edition. So this is how you install Manjaro Gaming Edition on the Asus Ally.